Icebergs on Lake Michigan remind us of the serious impacts of global warming. Wow, this must be the busiest neighborhood I've ever seen, as if preparing for a huge conference. Brightly colored parrots light up Queensland's sky, creating a majestic and peaceful natural scene. Welcome to a journey of exploring the strange and spectacular wonders from all around the world. From pods of whales dancing off the coast of Norway to flocks of swallows blanketing the skies over New York, each scene is a magical masterpiece of nature. Hit subscribe now and join us on this thrilling adventure. Wow. Along the coastline of North Carolina, a school of mulletfish seemed to be hosting a surfing competition, a truly entertaining show from nature. And here we have the perfect example of teamwork, courtesy of a pod of humpback whales in Norway. Isn't it absolutely stunning? Off the shores of Eastern Cape, thousands of dolphins gathered to greet visitors, transforming the ocean into a mesmerizing dance orchestrated by nature. Wow! A diver in the Maldives had a movie-like experience, diving deep into the ocean and blending in with a massive pod of dolphins. In Southampton, New York, a drone captured breathtaking footage of a humpback whale breaching the surface for what looked like a feast fit for royalty. Oh no, it seems like nature has no intention of stopping. It's determined to upend and disrupt everything in its path. Strong winds and heavy rain swept across the UK, turning flying into a true challenge for pilots. It takes an impressive level of skill to take off and land in such conditions.
Update 310 degrees 23, gusting 37 knots. Continue approach, just copy, sunset for record.
The Woolsey Fire in California roared through Malibu Creek State Park, and in this moment, the aircraft, our true hero, worked tirelessly to extinguish the flames. Off the coast of Auckland, two divers witnessed an unforgettable moment as a pod of dolphins and a flock of seabirds worked in perfect harmony to hunt a large school of fish. Wait a minute. Is this the crab with the fewest legs we've ever seen? If you're as surprised as I am, type 1 in the comments below. At Rockingham Beach in Perth, a whale was spotted relaxing in shallow waters, creating a serene moment for those lucky enough to witness it. So heartbreaking. Everything lies in ruins, and you can't help but wonder, how long will it take to restore its former beauty?
Oh my god.
Lightning just struck that. That was something
Oh my
People in Oxford couldn't
god.
believe their eyes when they saw that mysterious beam of light. What could it mean?
Oh my god.
A heartwarming image shows this dog, not just a pet, but an irreplaceable part of the family. No matter the hardship, they refuse to leave it behind. Southern Spain completely submerged, transformed into rivers as cars turned into submarines gliding across the water. Oh, wow. A diver couldn't contain their excitement as a giant spider crab perfectly photobombed their picture. This is surely a dive to remember. Life can be tough, but crabs always know how to make it fun, like this little guy giving his friend a piggyback ride. Hilarious. From above, sharks gliding just beneath the surface look like they're performing a stunning underwater ballet. It almost makes you want to join this elite swim team right away. Exploring the Vavu Atoll in the Maldives offers visitors a rare chance to gently interact with graceful stingrays, a truly magical connection with nature. Here it is, the whale shark, the gentle giant of the seas. Stretching over 39 feet in length, it's a serene wonder, worlds apart from its fiercer shark relatives. Simply amazing. A manta ray trapped in a fishing net was rescued by a team in the Maldives, showcasing humanity's compassion for marine life. Drivers were left stunned when a plane appeared right in front of them, making an emergency landing on the highway. No one could understand why it had to touch down there.
What's going on, ladies? Gonna cross? Cause a little bit of a jam, are you?
What a humorous scene. A herd of moose blocking traffic as they leisurely crossed the road in Estes Park, Colorado. Hurry up, I'm running late. This guy modified his Nissan Terrano to drive underwater, and now he's putting it to the test. It's a nerve-wracking moment, but please don't try this yourself unless you're an expert.
There it goes! There it goes!
Isn't it oddly satisfying to watch the controlled demolition of a silo in rural Illinois? Be honest, how many times have you replayed it? Oh my goodness, seeing the lighthouse sway like that is unbelievable. Oh wait, my mistake. It's actually the camera lens shaking. The skill of the Scottish ferry captain was truly remarkable as he docked the vessel in strong winds and choppy seas. He must have been nervous, but thankfully, all passengers made it safely.
Oh, I love it when it's quiet. We can hear it.
Really good.
Your journey becomes unforgettable when you witness this incredible moment. Humpback whales breaching the surface to greet you, as if nature itself had arranged this special welcome just for you.
Oh my god.
This is why you throw your phone in the ocean, man.
Yeah, get on the wheel side. Oh, oh. Right here.
The snow is falling beautifully and Christmas is just around the corner, isn't it? When snow falls continuously and heavily, situations like this are not uncommon. The garage entrance is completely blocked by snow. It looks like going outside isn't an option right now. Time to go back to bed. Oh my God! Holy... How lucky to be one of the few who gets to witness this stunning sight. The annular solar eclipse painted the San Francisco sky in mesmerizing shades of orange. Easter takes an underwater twist in the Florida Keys, where a dive instructor hosted an egg hunt near Tavernier, creating a one-of-a-kind holiday experience. In the crystal-clear waters of the Hamptons, New York, a stunning spotted eagle ray was spotted gliding effortlessly, showcasing the elegance of marine life. I can't stop laughing at this crab's sense of fashion. It's surely a top contender for the Ocean Fashion Week runway. Take a closer look. Don't they resemble SpongeBob and Patrick? A green sponge and a pink starfish living their best lives in the waters of New England. In the deep blue waters of Southampton, New York, a humpback whale and a pod of dolphins play an energetic game of tag, showcasing the majestic beauty of the ocean. How mesmerizing is this octopus's camouflage trick? If you're as captivated as I am, don't hesitate to give it a big like. This adorable squid has tucked itself into the sand, as if it's getting ready for bedtime. Sweet dreams, little buddy. Anchorage resident Stacy Thorpe was thrilled to capture a scene of sea lions vacationing on the shores of the coastal city of Valdez. Bioluminescent sea creatures transformed the Maldives shoreline into a breathtaking nighttime spectacle, lighting up the coast with their radiant blue glow. Wow! This shark became even more striking as it swam through the glowing bioluminescent waters off the coast of Bellerive. Look at this! A gray seal looks like it's in heaven as it enjoys the perfect underwater massage from its diver friend. Thanks to the swift response of conservationists, a seal was freed from a balloon string tangled around its neck and safely returned to the ocean. Let's work together to protect the environment so marine creatures can thrive in healthier habitats.
Close enough?
On the Northumberland coast of England, a determined seal mustered all its strength to escape from a tangled rope, showcasing its incredible resilience and willpower. Wow. The blue hole in the Gulf of Mexico near Florida is an underwater wonder teeming with mysterious life forms like blind fish and bacteria that survive without light or oxygen. What an incredible hidden world. The ocean is not just home to marine life, it also holds historical secrets. A sunken Soviet nuclear submarine off the coast of Norway emits detectable levels of radiation, a haunting reminder of the past. A marine biologist and freediver captured an incredible video of a spoonworm skillfully burrowing into the seabed at Port Phillip, Victoria. In a groundbreaking moment, the mysterious headless chicken monster, a deep-sea swimming sea cucumber, was filmed for the first time in the Southern Ocean.